So this is the framed art that I got at the thrift store. It says $10, but that day all art was half off, so I got it for $5, but I just could not pass up the details of the frame. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, and I don't really care for the blueprint, so I'm going to try to convert this glass into a mirror using this Rustoleum Mirror Effect. Finally got all the pieces separated. A lot of messages coming in that it is a Monet. It is a Monet and it used to be in color, but it's faded. But I don't think it's worth anything because it's just printed on some cheap paper, but it's numbered. So I went ahead and wiped this clean, but a lot of the sites were recommending that I wipe it down with rubbing alcohol. So I already have some on a paper towel. And this is supposed to remove any oils that will prevent the... Another good tip that I found was propping the glass on something so that way in case the paint does start to ooze, it doesn't collect on the other side of this. So I just got 3 washi tapes that are a similar size to prop the glass. Okay, so it says to shake vigorously and then spray in sweeping motions. And I already screwed up. So this is what it looks like after one coat. You can start to see it's more of a mirror effect, and it says to let dry about a minute or 2 in between, and it's going to require about 5 coats or so. So this is what it's like after about 4 coats, and the reason why it looks aged is because I've been dipping this brush into rubbing alcohol, and I'm basically just doing a whole lot of this. The rubbing alcohol is going to make the mirror effect lift. And then you basically grab a paper towel and wipe it off. And it's pulling some of it and creating little dots. The last part is, this is the art piece that came in the frame. I'm just gonna paint this black. This is what I happen to have on hand. It can be any dark paint. That way the aged effect that I just created on the mirror will pop out because it'll have a black. So I went ahead and put the mirror in. This side facing me is the part that I spray painted. I'm gonna lay this with the black part facing down and she'll be good to go.